Hurricane Ian, September 30th, 2022. The outer bands, you can probably see them out, I don't know. That's the outer bands of the hurricane. It's getting rough here. I already heard one tree fall in the woods. It fell. Just lost power. We lost power here. The transformer blowed or something. The winds are getting up now. I'm gonna have to get in just a second. The rain is blowing sideways right now. That's how strong it is. We've had trees fall over in the woods, I heard. So yeah, everyone be safe. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you.